cook fresh peas sauce with Chef Josh CCCC, or fresh peas with Irish with Chef Josh CCCC. For the new viewers, please subscribe for daily recipes. So you're going to get our fresh peas, you wash them. After washing them, apply them in the saucepan, apply salt and water. After applying salt and water, you're going to boil them. Then slice the onions, you set them aside. After slicing the onions, then you're going to get your tomatoes, you're going to cut at the top like I'm doing plus form. Then after, you're going to half boil them because we need to remove the what? The peel, so that we can make our tomatoes soft very easily. Then we are going to chop the carrots. After chopping the carrots in diamond form, then you are going to also chop the green pepper. After chopping the green pepper, we are going to also set our ingredients aside. Remember, the peas are boiling. Then after, we are going to slice or miss the fresh coriander. After mixing it, we are going to also slice the spring onions. After that, we are going to also grate the garlic. Then we are going to remove our tomatoes. We peel them. Make sure that the tomatoes don't mash. You remove the peel. After, you're going to chop them. Then you are going to get our saucepan, apply oil. After applying oil, we are going to apply the onions. Then you are going to cook the onions. After cooking the onions, you are going to first slice the tomatoes you peeled. The reason why we peel them, we need them to make them more soft easily. Then we are going to apply the tomatoes in the saucepan. After applying the tomatoes, we are going to sprinkle with some salt. After sprinkling some salt, you cover, you leave the tomatoes to become what? Soft. Then after that, for the new viewers, please subscribe. Then we are going to get the Irish. You have it, then you quarter the what? The Irish. Then after, you're going to add the Irish in the what? In the cooking mixture. Then you cook. Make sure that you take your time. Take your time. For the new viewers, please subscribe for daily recipes. Then you're going to apply the fresh what? The fresh peas, or the boiled peas, the peas you boiled. Apply them at this moment. After applying them, we are going to apply some little garlic. You can skip it, it's optional. Then you can also apply some carrots. You apply carrots for color. Then you're going to apply green pepper for color and taste. Remember, this is Chef Josh CCCC. I'm here to show you how to make peas sauce. Then you're going to apply spring onions. After applying spring onions, you're going to cook a little bit. Then in another bowl, you're going to apply tomato paste. After applying tomato paste, you're going to apply Reiko. After applying Reiko, you're going to apply water. Sorry, you're going to apply turmeric. After applying Reiko, you're going to apply turmeric. After applying turmeric, you're going to apply water. Then you dissolve it. The reason why I apply tomato paste is to make our sauce very thick. Then apply the mixture in the peas sauce. Then apply a little water. Leave it to do what? To boil. Then apply more salt if you see that the salt is not what? Is not enough. Remember, don't put much, because when you're boiling, you apply the what? You apply the salt. Then after, we are going to apply some fresh coriander. Apply some fresh coriander at this moment. Then after, you're going to leave it to boil. So we are going to apply homocysteine twist. You're going to apply cooking cream or milk. The reason I apply it, we need to get more taste. But if you don't take milk, please skip it. Then you're going to serve. Peas sauce is served like an accompaniment. That's why you have to make it thick. Peas sauce and bean sauce, they are served like accompaniments. So don't make them runny. You have to make sure that the soup is too what? Is too thick. See you.